Alright guys, so right back at you. This is Bob from Food Use, and I hope it's another cloudy day, and I decided to make a video. I don't know why it's so cloudy. It's been cloudy like this every single day. It's like once a week you get some sun, right? But I headed on over to the post office, and I got some mail. I got some mail from somebody. I don't know who it is yet, but it's from Ohio. So let me, it comes in this yellow package, right? And I thought I'd open it up and show it to you. But before I do that, I went to White Castle, right? And I got me the new black bean slider. I thought it was interesting. Here's the camera. I'll pay attention to you from now on. All right, cool. All right, so, yeah, so I went to White Castle. If I donated $1, they gave me a free chicken ring sandwich. So I said, you know what? I'm going to take it, right? So here's my free chicken ring sandwich right here. And let me show it to you quick because, well, they put two pieces of chicken ring inside, as you can see here, one at the top, one at the bottom, some cheese. So I got that going, which is good. All right, now here is the main attraction. Okay, I got the black bean slider. All right, and I got 4 of these because instead of getting the combo for $6 something, I got 4, so it comes out cheaper. And I got a bottle of water. Here's the black bean slider for you, as you can see here. And you got a couple of, well, you can see what's inside there. And that's it basically. Looks like it's been steamed a little. And the same side, the other side is the same. So let's see what this black bean slider tastes like, because I'm hungry, man. Okay. You know what? It tastes very beany. If you're a vegan or a vegetarian, I think that you will like this actually. Because there's no meat inside. I said, today, I'm going to go vegan. Partially because still got this chicken wing slider here. Oh, here's a piece of bean. Stick it out. That is definitely some black bean right there. All right, got some more black bean action right here. They got some corn inside too. You know, I would have thought that it comes with some kind of sauce, because this thing it don't have any sauce. I mean, it's moist, but what's the point? I mean, all right, so tastes very beany. If I'm gonna rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I give it a for a meat eater like me, it's actually quite good. All right, so I got 2 left, but I'm gonna eat this chicken ring slider that I got for free. This is pretty good though. The black bean slider is quite good. It's not bad. This is good too. I got 2 left. So right back at you, this is Bob. It's a quick video showing you the White Castle black bean slider. And right back at you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me finish off eating this.